The new Inspector tab in version 16 of Enterprise Architect provides you with a quick outline for reviewing the status and priority of all the requirement and maintenance elements in a diagram. This triage tool helps you to focus on what is most important right now. The key points for this feature are the ability to display as a list all of the elements in a diagram, focus on the status and priority settings of each element. It can be used not only for requirements but also for maintenance elements. And finally, the ability to add your own priority and status types and icons to the model, all to drive your model and design. Let's now look at the basic structure. With the requirements diagram selected in the browser and then selecting the Inspector tab, you can see this tree-based view of the element name, the element status and the element priority. Now let's have a look at the context menu options. In the context menu, you have the option to view the element's properties, allowing you to check or to actually change the status or the priority. You can also locate that element in the project browser, as well as locate it in the current diagram. And finally, you have the option to use the properties window to check or alter the details. The Inspector status can be used for all requirements and maintenance element types like tests, changes and issues. Here is an example of using it with the maintenance elements. In this case, a test, a change, and an issue. The status and priority options are completely user-definable, with options for setting the shape and the color of the icons, giving you the option to set how this is to be viewed. Here we have the process for creating and setting a status option and defining the icon color. Here we have the priority settings, where we can add a new priority and set the icon color, as well as define the icon shape. Hopefully this gives you a good starting point for getting familiar with the new Inspector status feature, for quickly tracking the status and priority of the work on hand, which is available in version 16 release of Enterprise Architect. For more information on this, see sparksystems.com/EA16.